Facebook games. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can use the Facebook games option on our Facebook app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to basically go ahead and then use the Facebook games, all you have to do is open the Facebook application. Normally you could be able to see the games option from the top, but just in case you don't find the games option, what you want to do is just tap the three lines option from the top right hand side of the screen, and after you do that, just go to this option here called See More. Inside the All Shortcuts tab, you have to look for the option called Gaming, and then when you go to the Gaming tab, you should be able to set different types of games, and now you can begin playing with your friends whichever game you prefer. The reason the gaming might not show here is because you don't use it much frequently. The more you use it, the more they're going to show up at the very top of the screen. So this way you should be able to actually use Facebook gaming. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.